Kia ora koutou. So I'm not advertising here. I just wanted to. I found this today as I was sorting out the garage, and I just thought I would share something with you that might amuse you. It was amusing at my own expense. When I first came across this stuff, I found it in what they call a $2 shop, or a gold coin shop they call them here. Craft glue, and the brand is Timber. Now, reading this, I thought it was wood glue and attempted to fix bits of wood together with it in an outdoor setting, which didn't work, and ended in me scratching my head. But there you go. Just what a silly sausage. I just thought I'd share that with you, might mildly amuse you, and I'll be back soon with some more meaty content. Rangimarie.